Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Rekha and today we are going to make the Hailey blouse. To start off, you will need your fabrics, buttons, sewing supplies, and the patterns for this style that you can purchase from our website. Let's start with our two front pieces. I have placed the right sides inwards facing each other. Now let's attach them together at the center up until the notch marking. Be sure to lock your stitches well here at this notch point so that your stitches don't unravel later on. Flatten out the seam and fold the seam allowance inwards. Let's finish this step with a stitch on each of these two sides. Now that our center front is ready, let's move on to the sleeves. I'm using French seams for this step, so I've placed the front and the back pieces together with the right sides facing outwards and the wrong sides facing inwards. I'm now going to turn the fabric over and finish this French seam. Let's repeat the process with this other sleeve as well. Now let's move over to the neckline. I'm going to double fold the seam allowance as I iron it into place. This is a simple technique that you can use when you're working with lightweight fabrics like lightweight cottons and linens. I have used this technique before for our Hailey blouse pattern. Now let's stitch this down and finish the neckline. Moving on now to the side seams. I'm going to use French seams here as well, so I'm going to pin the front and the back pieces together with the right sides facing outwards. I have stitched one side, now moving on to the other side. Now onto the hemline. I have double folded the seam allowance and now let's stitch all around. Let's double fold and finish the sleeve openings as well. Now for the last part, I'm going to attach these buttons onto the center front. And our blouse is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this tutorial, please do go check out our Hailey Blouse tutorial as well. It is a similar pattern and you might just like it. Once again, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. I will see you again very soon. Bye.